Today we are going to be learning about perimeter. Perimeter means the length around an object. So for instance, you could do the perimeter around your house, which would be all of the sides of your house measured and added together. So the perimeter of a triangle would be A plus B plus C, meaning one side plus the next side plus the next side. So in order to find the perimeter of a triangle, you just add up all the sides. For a rectangle, I could do the same thing. Add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. But if you remember in a rectangle, these two sides are the same and these two sides are the same. So we're going to use an equation. And the equation we're going to use is right here. It means P equals, that means perimeter, 2 times the length, because we have 2 of the same, plus 2 times the width, because we have 2 the same. So now look at our example. It says that there is a rectangle and it has the perimeter dimensions, that's what they call it, of 6 feet for the length. So let's pretend it's this one right here. That means that this is 6 feet and this is 6 feet because they're the same. But it also says we have a width, that's what W stands for, of 5 feet. So 5 feet here, 5 feet here. Now because these two are the same, I could say 6 plus 6, and these two are the same, I could say 5 plus 5, but we're going to come up with this equation. This equation is the perimeter, the whole outside, is 2 times the length because I have 2 of the same. So 2 times 6 plus 2 of the width, which I have the same. 2 times 5 because these are the same. So if I add these together, I'm going to come up with 22. Now, if you were to do it this way, you're going to get the same answer if you were doing it this way. This is just a little bit of a shortcut. So let's look at the perimeter of these squares and rectangles and triangles. So for this one, let's look. It's a triangle, and we learned to make a triangle, perimeter equals A plus B plus C, which means one side plus the other side plus the last side, and that will give you the perimeter, 12. Mrs. Tiffany added wrong. 11. Okay, so now let's look at this square. Well, you could add them all together, add, or I could say, how many 8s are there? 4. 4 times, oops, man, I'm a mess today with math. 4 times 8 gives us the perimeter of 32. Okay, look at this one. This one, they're all different. So what do I have to do? I'm going to have to do 80 plus 70 plus 76 plus 90. Holy moly. I'm going to pretend I did that in my head. 316 inches. Oh, you know what I forgot on these two? The measurements. Oh, this one is a rectangle. I get to use my equation, which is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So P equals 2 times the length, which is 7, plus 2 times the width, which is 1. Then I'll do my 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 1 is 2. Our perimeter equals 16. Okay, now we have no pictures. We're only going to be using our equation that we just have right here. So this one will be P equals, our length is 6, so I'm going to put that in, 2 times 6 for length, plus the width is 5, 2 times 5. Then I'm going to continue and I'm going to do the multiplication first. Then I'll add, and I get 22. 2, I forgot it again, inches. Forgot it up here too. Let's do another one. P, which is perimeter, equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, 7. Then I'm going to do my math. That would be 22. Oh, sorry, not 22. 42 plus 14, which then will equal 56. Don't forget this time, yards. Last one we'll do together. P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Again, we'll do the insides first, which give me 36 and 24. P then equals, and when I add those together, 60. Don't forget your measurement, feet. Okay, you have a few on the back to do on your own. If you're confused or don't understand, go back, start the video over, watch it again. But remember, you're just plugging these numbers into this equation. P equals 2 times length plus 2 times width.